Drivers who want to have a sporty, more personal connection to the road and higher gas mileage prefer a Kia with a manual transaxle. In a moment, we'll cover how to shift into each of your Kia's 5 forward gears, how to start the engine on a manual transaxle vehicle, and tips for seamlessly shifting your Kia into reverse. Kia vehicles with a manual transaxle have 5 forward gears. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. There is also neutral here where the gears are disengaged, and reverse. When you're ready to take your Kia out on the road, here are a few helpful tips for driving a Kia with a 5-speed manual transmission. Before the vehicle can be started, the clutch pedal must be fully depressed. Now, start the engine. Now, with the clutch still in, place the shifter into first gear. Next, slowly lift your left foot off the clutch pedal while gradually pressing the accelerator with your right. Shifting throughout the rest of the forward gear range uses the exact same process. When shifting into reverse, like backing into a parallel parking space, if you have experienced clashing gears or difficulty getting into reverse gear, here are a couple tips you should know. First, make sure the vehicle is completely stopped before shifting into reverse. There is a release collar around the shifter. This collar must be firmly pulled up as close to the shift knob as possible. Now the shifter can be moved into reverse. Once the shifter is in reverse, lift your foot from the brake pedal and gradually lift your foot from the clutch. You'll also notice that the shift pattern is slightly different than other Kia vehicles with a manual transmission, with reverse located up and to the left. To help you get better acquainted with these and other features, remember to always check your owner's manual for complete operating information and safety warnings. If you should need further assistance, please contact your Kia dealer or the Kia Consumer Assistance Center at 1-800-333-4542.